Hey guys, I was asked about the flags in the bed of my truck, so I figure I'll share with you a relatively low-cost way to mount some flags back there. I used a 2x8 67 1/4 was the length, I believe. Double check that measurement. Use some 1.5 inch electrical conduit. Cut whatever size you want. This is a 10-foot stick cut in two, perfectly mounted there. So used a couple of eye bolts, 3/8 inch eye bolts, some lock washers, regular washers, nuts. Down on the bottom, there's a strap for the conduit, and then I actually put a bolt through the bottom. That way, if that strap decides to let go going down the highway, at least the poles stay with my truck. On this side, a couple more of the eye bolts. And I actually ran a strap through them, took the tether piece and came backwards through them. That way, if the 2x8 decides to let go for some reason, at least the hooks will get caught on the eye bolts, and again, it'll keep it with my truck. But I did about 90 today on the highway near us, and it didn't budge an inch. Just make sure everything's latched down nice and tight. You know, 1, 2, 3 flags, whatever you want to do. There you go.